Hi everyone, I'm gonna do some Bombalurina makeup for fun. Okay. I still have not perfected the camera to mirror setup, so I have no idea how much of that is actually usable, but I'm Bombalurina now. This is a London version of her, and I think she's great. I don't have a Bombalurina costume, but I do have a Jemima one, so 1 minute. Ha! Ha ha! You have the light here. Done a full costume like this in a long time. Oh, and I love how I look, even though it's wrong character makeup with the wrong costume. Oh gosh. Oh, and BroadwayCon is happening like this coming weekend, and I'm not gonna be there. Second year in a row. I'm gonna miss it. That's okay. I'll go again eventually. I need a new costume, I think. Oh, if I can go as Jemima again. I just need a different wig because I hate this wig so much. I hate it so much. Meh. Oh well. I think I'm going to film some TikTok videos with this getup, since this getup does not happen very much anymore. Here's my makeup space, if you're curious. Like, this is what we got going on. Lots of stuff. And here's like where my costume is. See, I'm not like fully in it. Oh yeah, in this bag I got off of Society 6. Pretty cool. That's where I keep my cat's makeup. Yeah, anyways. Oh, and like brushes. Geez. Bombalurina makeup and a Jemima costume. I really wish I had like a costume, or at least a wig for every character. That would be so great. I would just have so much fun creating if I had all of that. I don't know if I have time to make everything. People have been asking me for wig commissions, and I just do not have time to commit to making something for someone else when they're paying me money. But maybe I can make one for myself. I don't know. Maybe I could just save up my Patreon money and like buy wigs for different characters. Maybe even make it into a series, like a review series, reviewing different cosplayers' creations, and then using the wigs for TikTok videos, or videos here, I guess. I don't know. Is that a good idea? What do you think? I don't know. I am going to be doing a review of Cats, the movie, the second review, and I will be answering your questions, so if you are still interested in that, please tweet me at MagicCatJenny, hashtag AskMagicCat, and I will answer your questions in that review video. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, bye. Wow.